Passion to profit. It sounds good, right? But there's a lot more that goes into it. It's not like you can just be passionate about something and turn it into profit. I'm Mark, this is Yoga Coach. It's a channel for yoga teachers who want to step up in their teaching, that want to transition from the studio to online in the most effortless, efficient way, and want to be at the leading edge of health, well-being, and transition on the planet. It's exciting for us. If it's exciting for you, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified every time there's a new video. There's other things that need to be in place. Now, for a start, you need the enthusiasm. You need to be fully there and fired up. That is a prerequisite to be successful in anything. But beyond that, you need a roadmap. You need a clear step-by-step process to get to where you want to go. See, the thing is, if it was easy to get there, you would have already done it. And if it was just simply information, you could have just searched it on YouTube and got what you needed. But it's more than that, because to be passionate about something is, as we mentioned, essential, but you have to step into the unknown. You have to expand. You've got to step up to another level. And that roadmap is essential, meaning that you have a step-by-step process. So there's many problems that need to be solved and actions to take so that you get to the end result, to the mountaintop. And then you also need, world-class support. You need a community, you need coaches, teachers, mentors, you need the right tools and practices to be able to get there. See, the problem is we would see people all the time who are passionate about something, who are enthusiastic about something. But the reality is, when most people learn, fewer than 30% actually initiate the thing that they were trying to get to. Now, why is that? It's because we're used to being a certain way. There's a certain way that we're familiar with that is known to us. We've created repetition around it. It's how we've identified ourselves in the world. So to learn the new way, it's about summoning your potential. It's about reigniting your human spirit. Because in the process of limitation, of making ourselves smaller, we give parts of that away. We give it to our parents, we give it to the culture, we give it to religion, we give it to our schooling system, we give it to the government, to marketing. We give it away bit by bit by bit. Now, if you want to step into that new elevated place of living in the world, you have to reclaim that spirit. You have to be passionate first about getting that back and reclaiming it. And it takes courage. It's not easy. You need the right people around you. You need the right teachers. You need the right practices to reclaim that. And when you can reclaim that, when you can do it, and then you have these systems like yoga and many others in the complete system, that's what they're designed to do. Instead of your consciousness being fragmented out into the world, you're defragging, you're reclaiming it, you're coming back into singularity. You're opening to a higher possibility, your energy upgrades, you resonate at a higher pitch and frequency, and then everything can change. Then when you've got that, when you've got that roadmap, that clear system of taking your passion, understanding that the insights that you have, your knowledge, your life skills, and then creating a message around that, and then matching it to the market perfectly, and then creating a product around that, and then a way to have an online delivery mechanism to take it out to a large audience, then you're cooking with gas and you're on fire. That's the difference. So there's three things. First of all, you need your enthusiasm, right? You need to be showing up. And within that, first of all, reclaiming your spirit, right? Reclaiming its self-governance, coming back. This is the big piece that is not talked about, it's left out. Secondly, you need a clear roadmap. Whoever you're working with, they need to be able to show you that they can walk in your shoes, that they've been there, done that, they've been where you are, they've got to this elevated position, and they can show you the steps to go along the way. And then thirdly, you need world-class support. That world-class support is a community that's cheering you on, helping you across the bumps. It's a community, coaches, mentors that are finally holding you accountable to do the things that you said that you would always do. Then that passion can turn into a result. Then the reasons won't outweigh the results. Then you can finally be that person that you've always wanted to be, and you can sit on the mountaintop, you can sit in that elevated position, and then you can help the people that are going through that same process that you went through. You can mentor them through that place. So if you're looking for that, what we do in Yoga Coach is we help you on all those 3 levels. We help you build your enthusiasm, where we help you reclaim your spirit so that enthusiasm has a place to move. We give you a clear roadmap and then world-class support. So if you want to ascend and teach from that place where you can help other people do it, then keep checking out. We've got lots of great information in here, lots of videos. So please like, share, comment, smash the button there. It really helps get it out there. And we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. One-handed namaste, shaka, peace out.